Hey everyone, as you know, we are moving to Africa to work with Villages of Hope Africa. We are planning on leaving as soon as possible. We are just waiting on a few more monthly and one-time partnerships to meet our goal so that we can actually get down there. For this video, we decided not to just do the ask, but to entertain you as you consider partnering with us. My daughter and I are going to have a race solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And as a side note, just remember, this is all just in good fun. This won't be the fastest solve you've ever seen. Last I checked, I think the world record was something around 6 seconds. So without further ado, let's get started. And I'm going to bring in my other daughter. She's going to mix these up for us.
As a side note, I've placed a link to our donation page along the bottom of this video. If you'd like to make a donation, you could go there. Also, if you'd just like to get some more information, there also is a lot of information at that link. So if you'd just like to get some information, that would be the place to go.
This is quite the solve. This is quite the mix-up. I don't know if I can do this one. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so you want to tell us when to start?
Sure.
And we'll go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Salt. Okay, so to give you a little bit more background for our family, we'll be helping with Villages of Hope, as I mentioned, and at Villages of Hope, their mission is to bring lasting hope to orphans and vulnerable children by providing them with love and care so that they can be contributing members to society. They help children with education, food, and shelter. And we also like to just mention that we understand that not everybody can partner with us. We do understand. There's no hard feelings. If you'd really like to help us out, you could share this video or you could like it on Facebook. And we appreciate everybody that watched this video. Thank you very much, and See you later.